Yes, it's true. You can teach even a speech-delayed 3-year-old how to read with this program. If you're looking for a proven learn-to-read program, then you're in the right place because I'm going to share my story. Plus, stay until the end to learn how you can get 2 free gifts to help your little one read. My name is Janelle, and I'm an online early childhood educator. I teach kids about social emotional growth and development on our YouTube channel called Cute Institute. For some reason, our daughter was late at crawling, walking, and talking. And she would get so frustrated and so upset all of the time because nobody could understand her when she was trying to communicate. We explained the problem to her pediatrician, and she thought it was time to check her hearing, and she sent us to an audiologist. My daughter and I sat behind a glass booth, and the audiologist checked her hearing. Her pediatrician sat down with us and explained that she did pass her hearing test, but that the reason for her speech delay must have been for how many hours per day she was sleeping. I knew then right away that I needed a proven and effective way to catch my daughter up with her speech delay and her cognition. So I started researching, and I quickly found Homer. I loved what I heard other parents saying. I downloaded the app, and I was able to personalize her learning experience for the things that she loves. For her, that's robots, playing doctor, and of course, princesses.
Yay! Next, I blow out the candles. Which picture comes next?
One of the things that I love the most about Homer is the interactive story library that they have, and it's tailored to what my daughter is interested in.
I'm a fairy princess. You may not believe me, but I can tell you that I am. I know that I'm a fairy princess because I feel it inside. A sparkly feeling of just knowing in my heart.
Her personalized learning curriculum really holds her attention. Homer's fun phonics lessons are scattered all throughout the proven learn-to-read pathway, and my daughter is learning without even realizing it.
Ah is the first sound you hear in alligator.
Yay!
Personally, I love the built-in games as well, like memory, that really goes a long way to helping her develop a sense of concentration and really lengthens her attention span for things like letter writing.
You make uppercase R like this. A line here, and a curved line here, and a line here. Do you want to make uppercase R? Second line. Last line. A really great R.
And then, after consistent time together, something like this is possible.
Davia, how old are you?
3.
3. Did you just turn 3?
Yeah?
Yes, you just turned 3. And today, we are going to read a book together. You are going to read this book. Okay, so Davia, first you need to tell me, what letter is this?
P.
P. And what sound does P make? P. Good. What sound does A make? Good job. And what sound does M make? You just did it. Good. Now we're going to turn on our motors. We're going to go back to this first letter. What sound does this make? Pa. We're going to turn on our motors, and we're going to say this word together. Ready? Turn on your motors. Good job. You've never seen this word before. Do it again. Good. And this A will say ah. Okay, ready? So we're going to start with our P. Ready? Go to our P, and we're going to turn on our motors. Ready? Yes. Say it louder.
Pam.
Good job! Davia, you don't know it, but you just read this little girl's name. Her name is?
Pam.
Yes! Davia, her name is Pam. You read it. High five. Good job. Very good. This is little B. What sound does B make? Ba. Good. Turn on our motors. And then it ends with a yes. Yes. Bag. Very good.
Sam.
Yes. Try again. Say it.
Sam.
Yes. 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 Who is this little boy?
Sam.
Yes, Davia! Davia, you just finished reading your very first book ever. Come here, give me a hug. I'm so proud of you.
Maybe it's the relatable characters inside of Homer that's made her want to engage.
Beep, beep, boop, boop. I'm a robot.
Robot in space. Choose Read to Me to get started. Read to me.
Oh, hi there. Have you seen my robot friend, Melody? Jet boots are my favorite way to fly. Let's go.
Maybe
to
it's the
space
magic
and
of
look for
interest and learning
Melody.
coming
First,
together
the moon.
that's made her be able to catch up and to excel.
Here we are in space. This is the moon.
But for our daughter, who was at one time very speech delayed, it's made a reader out of her.
I am 3 and I can read.
The kind people at Homer have given me a gift that I can give to you to help your little one read. So if you're watching this video on our website, just scroll down and click on the big button at the bottom, and that will take you straight to the special gift from Homer. If you found this video on YouTube or Vimeo, then just click on the link in the description box below, and that will take you straight to the gift from Homer. Also, if you email me at earlychildedufriends@gmail.com and let me know that you've clicked on our link, then I'll go ahead and send you my bestseller from Teachers Pay Teachers for free. It's a 19-page PDF document with mixed case, uppercase, and lowercase letters with bright and vibrant pictures that your little one will love to learn the alphabet with. It helped my daughter immensely.